How to build wealth in your 20s. Are you in your 20s and dreaming of financial freedom? The secret is simple. Start now. Time is your best friend when building wealth, thanks to the magic of compounding. Invest in your future today and watch your money multiply tomorrow. Money slipping through your fingers? A budget is your blueprint for success. Track your income, cut unnecessary expenses, and prioritize saving. Even small amounts matter. Consistency is key. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need a plan to grow. Your 20s are for taking educated risks. Build a diversified investment portfolio. Blending stocks, bonds, stay ready. Set up an emergency fund with at least 3 months of expenses to shield yourself from surprise costs. Avoid debt traps by living within your means. Financial security is a step-by-step climb. Start saving, budgeting, and investing now to unlock a future of financial independence. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through the decisions you make every single day. In your 20s and 30s, you're at the perfect stage of life to create financial habits that will change your future forever. Whether it's learning how to save smarter, invest earlier, or shift your mindset about money, these habits are your foundation for success. And trust me, the sooner you start, the more powerful your results will be. This is one of the most powerful habits. That small amount will grow over time, and future you will thank you for it. It's tempting to spend every dollar you make, especially when you start earning more. But the key to wealth isn't about making a lot of money. It's about keeping it. Focus on creating a lifestyle that lets you save, rather than upgrading every time your income grows. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's small amounts. Compound interest is a game changer, and your money will have years to grow if you start now. Wealthy people rarely rely on just one source of income. Start thinking about ways to diversify, whether it's freelancing, starting a side hustle, or even earning passive income through investments or digit.